What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, and I'm back in the studio. Today I have a nice shoot set up for you all, and we have the pleasure of shooting with Miss Jenna.
Hi, my Instagram is Jenna E. Gordon.
So I was able to get Jenna to shoot, so we are about to make some fire. And so for this setup, we have a Calvin Klein outfit. So I'm going for some moody type lighting, and then I'll open it up. So I'm gonna be using the Beauty Dish with a grid on it with the AD200, and then on the back I have a kicker light with the MS300, and then you're gonna have the D850 with my 70 to 200 lens. So we're gonna get into it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I already know. I can already see it's gonna be fire, y'all. So let's go.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. T to the M to the IDD. You see I have recessed lighting ahead, so I wanted to go ahead and adjust my settings to make sure that that recessed lighting isn't affecting my shot. So at f4 you can still see some remnants of it. So for the rest of my shots, I go ahead and stomp down to f5 to kill the recessed lighting and allow my Godox AD200 and MS300 to control the lighting in my studio setup. And this is what I get.
1, 2, 3. The patience, right? Look.
Oh wow.
Yeah, say we making heat in here, y'all.
Always try to keep a mirror. If you notice, the model keeps looking to her right hand side, and that is because there is a mirror there where she can adjust and change the way that she's positioned, fix her hair, and there you have it. She is using that mirror to perfection, and that is why these shots are coming out flawlessly. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Drop me some feedback in the comments section below.
I want you to look over your shoulder, put your hands in your back pocket. Yeah, that's perfect right there. 2, 3.
As I mentioned before, the goal of this shoot was to create some moody, dramatic type of lighting. So that is why I use my Beauty Dish with the 22-inch grid on top of it, along with the kicker light with the grid. It directionalizes the light, and it also creates a mood, as you see in the images.
Out here, hey, I'm always working.
I like the two-hand ones.
Yeah. So, what side? Oh, your tap right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's like show your tap a little bit. When you about to go somewhere, that's how you be. Perfect. And I'm just gonna shoot. So, just keep moving. Perfect. just kind of give me like a little slight. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3. See how that look? Oh yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And look up past the light. Perfect. And look to your left slightly. Perfect. And tilt your head up.
If you haven't already, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Drop me some feedback in the comments section below.
Envision that right there. Perfect.
This one too. The lookaways.
Oh yeah.
I love these ones are probably my favorite ones.
The back of it, yeah, and then put like your right foot on the, yeah, exactly, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, your right hand to kind of like play with your, yeah, exactly. Money shot right there. Hold that right there. Other one on the opposite side. Yeah, and put your hands in the middle. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. And lean back a little bit. Perfect. Okay, we got, hey, Jenna ain't playing with y'all. Y'all better hit that like button for Jenna.
Majority of the shoot I use my 70-200, but for these last section of shots I switched to my Sigma 35mm art lens. I wanted to take advantage of the full frame camera and the capability of the 35, allowing me to get tighter shots and closer to the model. And I also wanted to see how my Sigma will perform in the studio session, since I typically use it outdoors.
Just like that. And can you bend that right foot a little bit? Yeah. Perfect. Alright.
If you haven't already, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Drop me some feedback in the comments section below.
Okay, hold that right there. Hold that right there. Look off. Chin up and look off that way. Perfect. Hold that right there. That's fire right there. And can you sit up some more? Like as much as you can. And yeah, you're gonna come back. No, you can come back down like in the squat. Yeah, perfect.